I had been painting pretty much my whole life, just kind of as a hobby, not really serious. It's made a huge difference because before I was kind of painting without a purpose, just kind of copying. I love her course. I love that each section has a painting or a task for you to kind of learn hands-on what she's talking about. And then at the end of the course, it just all comes together. She's excellent at demonstrating and talking as she's painting. I've taken classes before where they don't like to talk, they just kind of need to focus. But she talks through the whole process. You just learn a lot from watching her. She's very accessible for asking questions. I'm constantly sending her messages asking for questions, and she's great. Again, like I said, I was painting without a purpose, just not even thinking about my brush strokes, not even thinking about color. You know, I had never heard of the modern color palette until Kathleen explained it in the course, and it's just changed everything. Yeah, I love painting. Yeah, I'm very happy with it. I think she did an amazing job. I'm just a huge fan of hers.